Hello everyone, myself Professor Sunil Javada, Principal at Gita Institute of Pharmacy. The Gita Institute of Pharmacy offers two courses, B Pharma and D Pharma. B Pharma course is of 4-year duration and similarly our diploma course is of 2-year duration. Our B Pharma course is affiliated to Pandit Bhagwat Dayal Sharma University of Health Sciences Rohtak and the course is duly approved by AICTE and PCI. Similarly, our diploma course is affiliated to Haryana Board of Technical Education Panchkula and this course is of 2-year duration and our students after completing this course they are going to be a registered pharmacist. Similarly, in the B Pharmacy course the student is exposed to the various subjects like pharmacology, pharmaceutical chemistry and similarly pharmacognosy and also pharmaceutics. Dear students, pharmaceutical chemistry deals with the synthesis of the drugs and similarly these drugs after synthesis they are going into the pharmaceutics department so that the particular dosage form can be formed, like tablets, capsule and injections. Similarly from the plants we are discovering the drugs and that stream is coming into the pharmacognosy department. And similarly we are having the pharmacology department where we study about the effect of drug on the human body. We also study the human anatomy and physiology and the detailed effect of drug on the human body. Dear students, Gita Institute of Pharmacy was established in 2019 and within 1 year duration our B Pharmacy students they have excelled in the university. They got the first 4 positions in top 20 students and similarly our institute is ranked at 4th position in all over Haryana in the short duration. Dear students, we are offering excellent environment for the study and also so that they can excel we are having the very excellent labs and infrastructure in the institute. Our teachers they are highly qualified and all are postgraduate and PhD. Similarly, we are using audio-visual aids in the classrooms so that the students will have overall exposure to the various latest techniques for the study. Dear students, we are arranging the various seminars, conferences so that student can have overall exposure in the field of pharmaceutical sciences. Similarly, we are arranging the expert talks for the students. We are also arranging the industrial visits so that student can learn how the drugs are synthesized in the pharmaceutical company. We are having a very good library so that the student can learn all the things. We are having the very good computer center and we are also having online journals so that student can see the latest development in the field of pharmaceutical sciences. Similarly, we have very good cafeteria so that student can have lighter moments there. And similarly, we are arranging various cultural fests and also we are arranging the various extracurricular activities, sports meets, a National Pharmacy Week so that a student can learn all the things at one platform and overall development of the students. Dear students, we are arranging industrial visits so that student may have practical exposure how the tablets or capsules or the injections are prepared in the pharmaceutical company. Similarly, we are arranging the motivational lectures for the students. We are also arranging expert lectures and seminars for the students so that overall development of the students can take place. We are also doing the extracurricular activities so that the student can have exposure to overall development and also we are having excellent library. So we are having the online journals. We are also having the some offline journals. So and also the lot of books are available in the library. And in the labs we are teaching the students and telling them how they can practically synthesize the drugs, how they can practically formulate a drug, how they can make a tablet, how they can make a capsule. Dear students, this field is having lot of opportunities. Similarly, like in government field, they can become a drug inspector and similarly they can go in the private sector in pharmaceutical marketing and also in the manufacturing department. There are so many vast pharmaceutical companies are there where they can be absorbed. So my best wishes to all the newcomers, come and join us. Best wishes.